Welcome to your assembly this week. My name is Reverend Ian Naylor. I'm the vicar of Ironbridge, Corbrookdale and Little Wenlock, and I'm your vicar for this school. Lovely to be with you, if not in person, by video link today. I'm in Holy Trinity Corbrookdale Church, and you might see around you things that aren't normally here, which are poppies. Because last Sunday was Remembrance Sunday. Remembrance Day is on Wednesday of this week. And in this time of year, we ask ourselves, is peace a good thing? Peace in our world, peace in our country, peace in our homes, peace in our lives. What you are seeing here is found in the United Nations headquarters in New York, USA. This is written on a wall. It's a prophecy by the prophet Isaiah, who's looking forward and yearning for peace in our world. He wrote, "They will beat their swords into plowshares and their spears into pruning hooks. Nation will not take up sword against nation, nor will they train for war anymore." He was looking, he was yearning, he was wanting a time of peace in our world. Nelson Mandela said this: "Courageous people do not fear forgiving for the sake of peace." Courageous people do not fear forgiving for the sake of peace. Mahatma Gandhi said this: "You cannot shake hands with a clenched fist." You cannot shake hands with a clenched fist. Martin Luther King Jr. said this: "Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that." And Mother Teresa said, "Peace begins with a smile." Peace begins with a smile. "40 years ago, a famous British pop star was killed. John Lennon, member of the Beatles. And again at the United Nations headquarters, there is a sculpture, a large sculpture of a gun, with the barrel being knotted to stop the gun firing. It was built because of John Lennon's death. It's called non-violence or no violence, showing everyone that violence and hate are not the way. We celebrate remembrance at this time of year not because we like war and fighting, but because we love peace. Peace is the way. We remember those who have given their lives so our country could be free and live in peace. We remember them. I'm going to say that again. I'm going to say we remember them, and I'd like you to repeat that as a school after I have said that. I will say we remember them, and then I'll signal for you to say We remember them. Are you ready? We remember them, and you say, we remember them. I'll finish with a short poem called the Kohima Epitaph. Kohima is a small hill in India, Myanmar border, where many people gave their lives in a desperate battle for freedom and peace. An epitaph are words written down or spoken for someone who has died. When you go home, tell them of us and say, for their tomorrow we gave our today.